Indesit have now released their new range of the new design of their washers and dryers. It's only available in August at the minute, so I'm waiting to see they come out in other stores as well, especially in the Sainsbury's ones, because they give you the extra large icons to zoom in. Although I do think we've been very lazy with the styling. Basically, we just took all the old knobs, all the old drawers, and what they've done is basically, instead of having it curved, they've now sort of stole the idea from a Slovakian washing machine, which is sort of like that, and it ends up, you know, going across like that, sort of triangle now. And just like all other modern washing machines now, the dials are now, the main wash dial is now in the centre. At the current minute, there's no digital type 1 and there's no cheaper one. I'd be interested. The new quick wash is also now only just 15 minutes long. The actual first version of that quick wash actually ended up on the new Aquatis washer dryers that were released in 2008 in December. No, wait for that, but whatever. The point is, the new quick wash is 15 minutes long, which would be interesting. It would probably still end with an 800 RPM spin, but very, very quickly. I suggest you keep an eye out. Go on if you live in the UK. I'm not quite sure about Ireland, but go onto the Argos website or get yourself an Argos catalogue, because we're in a new Argos catalogue. Especially you. I know Christian 2D's got a new Argos catalogue. So I beg you to go and have a look, because they're on a new design. Because if anyone noticed at the minute, the all new release of the washers have the dials, the wash dials in the centre going across, with displays being at the side. The only make that hasn't done it so far is now Miele. That's practically the only one I can think of. Oh, and cheap, really cheap bad ones. Because who was first with the idea? I don't know, but Indesit, we had the hotpoint release, they put in the centre, and I was waiting for Indesit, and Indesit took a year later. AEG released their new versions. There's no difference to the old ones, just that all wash dials now in the centre.
Yes, well, his wife was left in Kelsey Greens. What did he say? Not a level. What's the difference today, babe? Rainbow light. There's a song for every eventuality.
be something.
I'll get it up, Dad. I was there. He stayed close beside the counter and left us some chips.
Right, well.
What are you doing?
Better than nothing. You're a young girl.
No, you can't go around intimidating witnesses.
You load it with a police protected.
So they called me in for questioning. Had to let go and denies it. And he jumped straight round here.
Well,
Get in the corner, Dad. Listen, Miss Ringo. While you're pouring poor evidence, then I should be having fun.